Hello, my name is José Roberts, and my nickname is Zeca. I am a Brazilian project manager, and I am here to talk about my first article to Institute Project Management. And my first article is related to my strategic plan to disseminate my book. I'm a writer. For a while, this book is only in Portuguese, but my intention is to translate to English, Spanish, and Chinese. And my strategic planning talk about to my charter. My charter is called the Planos, the project manager, a Brazilian project manager. And I use the Ludic and the humor and comic strips to talk about project management fundamentals and concepts. Why I use this? Because easier to understand and spread these concepts to all people, not necessarily a project manager. Yeah. And I hope you like my article and my charter. Again, Japlanos, the project manager.